Perming, short for permanent waving, is a popular hairstyling technique that has been around for decades. It involves chemically altering the structure of the hair to create curls or waves that can last for an extended period of time. Perming offers a versatile way to transform straight hair into a curly or wavy texture, and it has evolved over the years to provide a range of options for different hair types and style preferences. The process of perming typically begins with the application of a chemical solution to break the natural bonds in the hair. This solution softens the hair and allows it to be reshaped into the desired curl pattern. Afterward, the hair is wrapped around perm rods or curlers to set the new shape. The size of the rods or curlers, the processing time, and the type of solution used can all be customized to achieve different curl sizes and textures, from loose beach waves to tight, bouncy curls. One of the advantages of perming is that it can provide long-lasting results, with curls or waves remaining intact for several months. This makes it an appealing option for individuals who want a low-maintenance hairstyle that doesn't require daily styling. However, it's essential to consider the potential drawbacks of perming, such as the need for regular maintenance to prevent overprocessing and maintain the health of the hair. The health of the hair is a crucial factor in successful perming. The chemicals used in the process can be harsh on the hair, and improper application or excessive perming can lead to damage and breakage. It's important to consult with a professional hairstylist who is experienced in perming to ensure that the procedure is done correctly and that the appropriate aftercare is followed to maintain the integrity of the hair. In recent years, the concept of perming has evolved to encompass various styles and looks. People are no longer limited to the classic, tight curls associated with traditional perms. Instead, they can opt for modern techniques like body waves or digital perms that offer more natural, beachy textures. Additionally, advancements in haircare products and treatments have improved the overall health and condition of permed hair, making it a viable option for those looking to experiment with their hairstyle. Whether you're seeking a bold new look or a subtle change, perming remains a versatile method for achieving stunning curly or wavy hair.